7 Powerful Ways to Be More Self-Disciplined in 2020. Nobody was born with perfect self-discipline, it's a skill that everyone needs to learn. If you are looking for ways to get more control of your habits and choices, these 7 tactics will be a game changer for you. 1. Surround yourself with highly disciplined people. If you don't have friends or colleagues who possess high self-discipline, find them. The best way to find new acquaintances is by attending events, courses and seminars related to your interests, sports, writing, dancing, etc. You can also connect with new people on Facebook, explore people by hashtag and location, send them a DM and perhaps you'll make a new friend. 2. Find the bigger purpose behind each task. The biggest source of self-discipline is to have a reason to do the task, Mr. Croft said. Parents change diapers because they love their children, and want their babies to feel good, not just because they enjoy the process itself. If you have a clear purpose behind the tasks you take on, you will complete the task, no matter how tired you feel. 3. Remove temptations. What is your biggest distraction? For me, it's app notifications on my cell phone. A few months ago I decided to turn off all notifications on my cell phone and put it on silence while I work. This little change has dramatically increased my productivity. Key learning: the fewer distractions you have around you, the better results you'll get. 4. Set goals. I like what Mel Robbins constantly repeats in her YouTube videos: what gets measured, gets done. Create a specific and measurable goal, for example, lose X amount of weight in X weeks. If the goal is too vague, it's unlikely to be achieved. 5. Learn to meditate. Meditation can help us to master our self-discipline. Meditation puts our mind at ease, improves our concentration and reduces stress level. For those who have never meditated before, I suggest downloading a dedicated meditation app like Headspace or Calm, or search for a guided meditation on YouTube. 6. Tell the world about your goals. By telling people around you about things you are working on, writing a bachelor thesis, doing some craft work, etc., people will constantly ask how things are going with your project every time you meet them, so you'll get a free, positive push from your surrounding. 7. Start with small things. Start with small things. Don't try to change everything at once. If you are starting an exercise routine, start with a 15-minute workout and little by little increase the duration of each new workout. Same goes if you would like to get up or go to bed earlier. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.